Let's practice questions, answers again. Anthony, what do you do in the evening?
I'm doing my homework in the evening in the last few weeks.
Wonderful. Can you ask somebody else, please?
Henry, what do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the morning?
I'm making paper toys in the last few days.
Excellent. I love your sentence. Well done. Can you ask somebody else, please?
Kate, what do you do in Saturday
On
morning?
Saturday.
I am playing games on Saturday morning in the last few days.
Fantastic. Thank you, Kate. Can you ask somebody else?
I'm have my mom cook breakfast on Sunday morning this day.
Okay, I'm helping. We have to say ing.
Helping.
I'm helping my mom to cook breakfast on Sunday morning these days. Can you say? Can you repeat?
I'm helping my mom to cook breakfast this Sunday morning this day.
Well done. That's a very good sentence. Ask somebody else, please.
Lucy, what do you do on Sunday?
I play the piano.
I'm playing piano.
I play the piano
On
Sunday.
these days.
What do you do?
Okay. Ask somebody else.
What do you do? What do you do?
On what day? What do you do on?
What do you do on Monday, Emily?
I do in my homework
I'm doing.
on Sunday.
I'm doing.
I'm doing my homework on Monday.
This
week.
This week. That's very good. Yeah, I'm doing my homework on Sundays this week. Very good. Ask somebody else, please. Ask one of the boys, please.
Like, what do you do on?
What do you do on Monday?
Well done.
I am learning how to cook on Monday lately.
That's fantastic. Thank you very much. That's an excellent sentence. I'm learning how to cook on Mondays lately. Well done, Benny. That's very good.